Are we having cereal for the first time? Oh no. Mommy dropped the spoon. Hi. Are we gonna eat cereal? Here we go, baby. Ooh. How does that taste? Uh-oh. No, no, no. He wants to help. Is that good? Yeah? Do you like the taste of the tray, Austin? Oh, you're so cute. You like the tray. Hi. Oh. Oh, is that good, baby? Hi. You got your spoon? Oh, you're so cute, baby. Oh, so cute. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ah. Hi. Are you eating? You got your spoon? Oh, does that taste pretty good? You got rice cereal on your face? Ooh, yummy. Hi, baby. Hi. Are you playing with your spoon? That's so cute. Oh, there's your spoon. Oh, you are cute, cute, cute. Ah, you want the cereal over here, don't ya? Oh, now done with our food. Yep. Oh, you like your seatbelt, don't you? Austin! Hi, baby! Oh, are you having fun? Yeah. So cute. Are you gonna have some cereal? Ooh, yep. What you thinking? Hi. Oh, you're cute. Oh, do you like your cup, Austin? You're so cute, baby. Oh no, don't drop it. Oh. It's playing with the spoon. Oh, I do like that. Ooh. Fun stuff. I know. Hi, cutie baby.